What's going on, guys? So let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla having, a not so good of a day along with the rest of the overall market. Feel like the story's kind of the same, guys. Remember, don't get excited about, big green candles, early off in the day. If you kind of just go back, at least for the last week, every rally that we had comes on one green candle. Normally it's like 1 hour candle. It runs right into supply, rolls over. So definitely, guys, we're in a bear market. Let's just, get over the fact and let's just accept it. So we have to accept that we're in a bear market. We understand that the pops are going to be short-lived and that the moves to the downside are going to be a little bit more strong. So with that being said, I did have a pivot on Tesla, below 780, did have room to get down, posted that on Twitter as well as the Discord. I said 780 definitely has room to flush. So wait for that confirmation. 780 currently trading at around $760. So that's about a 20-point move there. If you guys are not a part of the Discord, definitely join the Discord link down below or follow me on Twitter. But with that being said, what I want to kind of point out here, if we do go back to March 14th, these are the March 14th lows that we are testing. Also, we did have lows from the 23rd of February. So February 23rd and March 14th. So the last time that we were down here, we did get a flush this day on the 24th. But then that was that big intraday reversal. And then also here on the 14th of March, once we got to the 15th, we did reverse. So here's what I want everyone to kind of keep in mind. So there's a lot of people that are expecting the dead cat bounce. They're expecting the bottom. I don't argue with that. We could get a dead cat bounce. We do have a lot of room going back up into supply here. Tesla's supply is sitting at around $913. So definitely if the market does go into some sort of, dead cat bounce situation for a few days or a week, Tesla has room to 900. But the major point that I want to make in this video is if Tesla starts to close below that $754, $750, that is going to challenge putting in some a lower high. So what I'm talking about is if we do close below 750, Tesla has room down to 696, 700. Let's just call it 700 for the sake of the video. Tesla starts closing below 750. This thing definitely has 50 points room worth of bounce. And then the 750 area, even the 790 area is going to act as a strong level of resistance. So if it cracks through and starts to close below, yes, when we do get a little bit of a intraday bounce, this is going to act as a heavy area of support where it might start to get hung up and then do one of those numbers. So definitely if you're a long-term investor and you're looking for a better deal, I would say hold on just a little bit longer and at least give yourself a little bit more data to see if we're going to come a little bit more down. If you are a trader, what you're looking for is you have to be licking your chops through that 754, 750 flush. That's 50 points worth of downside. Now, if you're looking to trade to the long side, maybe you're not as good trading to the downside. What you need to have happen is you need to have Tesla hold 750, and then we need to bounce off 750, and your entry cannot be until we take out this day's high, right? So we would be looking at 792 or around 809, 810 area. That's a long ways away, right? So you're going to need to give Tesla a little bit of time, but Tesla's going to have to show you that, hey, you know what? We are going to bounce. Look at this last time when we got this, washout and flush. When we took out that previous, red candles high, it went from a price of 830 all the way up to around 890, so about a 70-point move. This last time here, when we bottomed out at this level, as soon as we took out the previous day's high, we went from 800 all the way up to 1158. So if you're looking for the bounce on the reversal, I wouldn't say, just load your position here, because if you do get a washout, you are going to get trapped and you're going to get your face ripped off. You need to wait until Tesla gets back over $810, and that's when you take your move into the 900. So you're going to give yourself 80 or 90 points worth of room here. Now to the downside, once we lose 750, all bets are off with that little bit of bounce here off these previous levels. That would invalidate this level of support that we have here, and then we would be looking for the new lower low and see where that bottom is, and then we would need more data to chop around and then to try to move higher into the 750 rejection spot on supply. So just wanted to give you guys a little intraday look. Obviously today's the 11th. It's 10 o'clock in the morning here, Pacific Standard Time. If you guys want to join the Discord, definitely join the Discord. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.